needed to replace my current cable that got damaged when I was packing it up in my backpack. You can see that it's bent, and I didn't want to take the chance of data transfers not going from a hard drive to my computer and vice versa. So I decided to get this super high-speed data transfer cable. It comes in different lengths. This one is a 3-foot cable, and the connectors are gold-plated on both ends, and they're both USB 3.0 Type A connectors. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.